In this video, we're going to be talking through how to set up a fixed address service. So a service in the BookingTimes system is simply something that you can book into the calendar. So if we go ahead and click on the Book Now button, this is the public view here, you would go and click on a time slot to make a booking, and you would select the service that you're after. So we're going to switch over now and go log into the system. So you can see here, we've just clicked on the setup menu, and then this is where you configure everything behind the scenes. So let's go ahead and go into services. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually update this auto driving test service to change it to be a fixed address service. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on that. And you can see here from the template, it's been set up as a mobile service. So what we want to do, we actually want to say, we want to change it to a fixed address service. So this means this is, for this service, it will always be booked in to this address. So for example, this could be I'm going to say Smallville, TMR, which is the Department of Transport. So that means for every client that selects this particular service, this will always be the address that you meet at. There's no option for the client to enter another address. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just put in an address here because this gets included as part of the client reminder. Okay, what we need to do then is after we've done that, we need to make sure we've actually allocated pricing. We did have pricing set up for the mobile option, but because we've selected a different option now, we have to go ahead, ensure you check that box there, and let's go ahead and set up this auto driving test. And let's say this one is $250 for the 2-hour duration. And finally, we want to make sure that staff is allocated. So go to the staff tab and ensure that you've selected the staff member that you'd like to offer the service. Okay, and we simply click on save. And what I'm going to do now is going to go into the booking calendar as an admin and go ahead and show you what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on an available slot. Okay, we're going to select our driving test over here. Okay, we're going to look for our client. Oops, I didn't save that one. Let's go ahead and book Luke in again. Okay, and you can see there that it was not prompted for an address like the mobile service was. And the pickup address has been added as this immediately. Okay, I hope that's helpful in setting up a fixed address service.